we're about to do some exercises. We're doing arms. You're going to need your waistband. You're going to grab your gloves, okay, for the weights. You can use 5 pounds, 2.5, which will give you 5 pounds. So 2.5 times 2, which will give you 10, or you could use 10-pound weights, which I'm going to do both. Make sure that you always get a physician clearance before you begin any type of physical fitness. So let's go. I'm going to also put on my gloves. As you saw, I just put on my belt. Actually, I love weight training. I love it. So I just want to loosen myself up. Open up my store. Get any kinks out. Open up my chest. That feels so nice. So to warm myself up, I'm going to use the light dumbbells, which are 2.5, okay? Times 2 gives you 5. So I'm just going to do bicep curls. And if I feel fancy, I'll put something else extra in. This is a demonstration, okay? So this is very, very light. So I'm going to just start off. I'm going to do 10. Whether I do up to 100, we'll see, okay? So I'm starting off with 10 every time. I can do 5 sets, which will give me 50, okay? One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's just that simple, okay? And these are extremely light, okay? I'm gonna do 10 more. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 20. I will incorporate music with this too, so let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 30. I'm starting to warm up, so let's go 30. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 40. Let's go. Count with me. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. 10 more. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, that's 50. So what I'm gonna do is, because this is kind of easy for me, so what I'm gonna do is do 50 more, okay? That'll give me 100, and then I'm gonna incorporate the heavier weights. Okay, I want you to count, okay? So I'm not gonna count, but I want you to count. Twenty more. Let's go. 1.
Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small.
All right, let's go. It's almost like you're bench pressing, okay? So let's go. We're gonna do 10.
Too many things going on. I can't keep track of them all. From people dropping a bomb to people putting up walls. I feel like life is on hold. Perception stuck in a vault. I know that time can heal all, but how much time till we fall? It's awfully chilly outside when there's no shelter to hide. When everything is alive, you'll find that out in some time.
That feels amazing. Okay, so now let's incorporate heavier weights. So if it's too heavy for you, keep using the lighter weights.
Either way, I don't wanna be a part of it.
But as for me, I'm gonna go ahead and grab some heavier ones,
I can't be picking up the pieces, fixing scars,
which this will be 20 pounds. Okay?
I wanna drive away so I can be so far from it.
All right. If you want to modify it, you can just, okay, we do it like that. But as for me, I'm gonna try it. It's been a while. If it gets too heavy, I'm gonna just do one at a time. Okay?
Way back before we blew it all. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. I know that things seem bad, but they could be much worse. There's always someone else who has a greater curse, a greater thirst, a hunger, pain, and mercy. Just find whatever you got and try to be thankful first. I wanna feel again. I need a couple friends. I never really understood just how the story ends, but I can feel his stance. Don't know the consequence. The volatility of life, my only confidence. Is this an argument or just the start of it? Either way,
let's go. Let's get it. Come on.
Can I just get some space? I don't have the heart for this. I can't be picking up the pieces, fixing scars from this. Is this an argument or just the start of it? I wanna drive away so I can be so far from it. I wanna find a place where no one breaks their promises, or maybe drown myself in something that's bottomless.
Okay.
Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a
Come on.
day when we weren't
Come on. Let's go. Here we go.
Way back before we blew it all. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all.
10. Okay. All right. Okay. Come on. Here we go. Come on. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, I'm liking the consistency right here. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right. Okay. Yes. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. Get them up. Get them up. Get those arms up. Bicep curls. Let's go. 1. 20 pounds. 2. 3. 4. 5. Yes. 6. 7. Yay. 8. 9. 10. Yes. Who's stopping you? Oh my goodness. Okay. Okay. Let's go. Bicep curls. Let's go. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. 1. Yeah. 2. 3. Focus. 4. Keep going. 5. 6. 4 more. 7. 8. 9. Woo! 10. Okay. 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 All right. Ain't no fancy pause, no edits, no tricks. Let's go. Come on. 10 more. This is 20 pounds. 10 to 10. Come on, come on, come on. Come on, come on, come on. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. 6, yeah. 7, 8, 9, 10. Woo, I'm liking it. I'm loving it. 10 right here. 1, 2, 3, talk to me. 4, what? 5, 6, yes. 7, 8, yeah. 9, 10. Oh my goodness. 10 more. Oh, come on. This is gonna be everything. This is where it's at. Come on. This is the moment. You push yourself. Come on, let's go. We got this. Come on, let's go. 10 more. 1, 20 pounds. 2, let's go. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes. Hey, I'm stopping right there. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Yes. Greatness. Yes, yes, greatness. Oh my goodness. I feel so good right now. Hey, I hope you're feeling good too. Look, I worked out with the light ones here. Look, I'm just feeling awesome right now. Get you some light dumbbells. Start off light, okay? It's not about how much you can lift. Remember that. Okay? So, oh my goodness, I'm so excited. I'm about to stretch, and then this is where I'm going to end it. I want to thank you so very much, okay, for visiting my channel. Make sure that you like, share, and subscribe, okay? And remember, quitting is never an option, okay? We got to start from somewhere. Doesn't matter where you start, okay? I'm only saying it to you, but I'm telling myself too, because, you know, encouragement, whether you're self-encouraging yourself, hey, either way. So I'm just going to stretch. I'm going to do the same thing. Okay. So straight. Take these off. Yes. Yes. I did that. I did it. Yes. Yes. So amazing. Thank you. And I'll see you back here on my next video. Take care of yourselves. Bye.